Thinking about starting a health food subscription service in Singapore? With growing health awareness and fast-paced urban lifestyles, Singapore is the perfect market for nutritious, convenient meal solutions. Step 1. Define your niche. Will you focus on calorie-controlled meals, vegan plans, keto diets, diabetic-friendly menus, or corporate wellness subscriptions? A clear positioning helps you stand out in a competitive market. Next, ensure compliance. You'll need to register your business with ACRA, obtain the necessary food licenses from the Singapore Food Agency, and comply with hygiene, labeling, and nutrition guidelines. Logistics is key. From sourcing fresh ingredients to maintaining cold chain delivery, efficient operations ensure food safety, customer satisfaction, and repeat subscriptions. Then, focus on branding and marketing. Leverage social media, fitness influencers, and corporate partnerships to build trust and grow your subscriber base. With the right structure, licenses, and financial planning, your health food subscription business can thrive. 3E Accounting Singapore can help with company setup, compliance, and tax planning. Visit our website to get started today.